whatever I have learned from this course, I'm using those techniques and those tricks, and it is getting faster. The jobs is getting faster. I able to complete quiz competition, and I got selected within under 1,000 people. If and I got the appreciation token from the Deloitte and certificate as well.
Hello, guys. Welcome back. I have Mr. Rameez with me, and he's here to share his experience. Mr. Rameez, hi, welcome. We're
Hey,
just here
hi.
to discuss, how you've been and what was your experience with the mastery program. But before we go there, we just want to know a bit about you, like where you from, what role, what job do you have, what role, so all of that. So yeah.
Hey, hi. I'm Rameez Mulla. I'm from Navi Mumbai. I work in Deloitte as an IT engineer. Uh,
Okay, Ramesh. Hi, it's good to have you here. We know that you are a part of the mastery program. So before I know your experience and what you've achieved, I'd want to know where did you find, where did you get to know about the course?
So I got to know on this social media only, WhatsApp. I would say that there it was like a 9 rupee of that initial program which I have joined, and I got to know from there on.
Okay, perfect. And what was that tipping point? Like, what made you join the mastery program?
Yeah, so that was interesting. Like after having the initial meeting or initial course, I would say it was like there the I went through the complete syllabus, what it is, like what could be in a master class and what could be taught to us, like what could be teach to us. Then that was really good, vast, like from normal or the simple things to the advanced thing. It was really a good syllabus. Also, it's been like it will be taught, it was said that it would be taken by the IIT professionals or IIT pass out people, and that was really the truth, because now I'm more of completing it towards the last phase. So it's yes, everybody was a nice teacher, and I also see that the pricing of it is really good, that I can afford it and take the course. Yeah.
All right. That's fantastic. So you just said that you were about to complete. So have you completed the course?
Not yet. It's
Okay.
in a process.
Okay. So imagine if someone had to do it from the start, right? And so how much time do you think it would take them to complete the whole course?
So the mastery class, I think it's as per the given complete syllabus and the timetable. It would take 4 months completely. Like I have joined the weekend batches, so it would take almost 4 months,
Right.
and really it's a vast course. So that much it will take.
So you're a working professional too, and you have your office work as well. So between that, you go and you upskill yourself basically. So
Yes.
with a decent pace, you're saying it would be completed in 3 to 4 months, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. So now coming on to the main part of what we wanted to ask you, what is that achievement that you want to highlight? What is that one thing or multiple things that you've achieved that you felt that there was a before and an after effect?
Yeah. So there are multiple things I would say, but the first which gives me the glory is there was a quiz competition, or the I would say the course completely was there from the Deloitte, and they had a quiz competition and multiple questions. It was around 200 questions, I would say. And as I gone through the basic classics, the fundamental classes of AI, and what could be the tools and what is the AI that is taught in a master class. So I have that knowledge I had already. So I able to complete that course, and I able to complete that quiz competition, and I got selected within under 1,000 people. If they have the criteria that if you complete it before 1,000 people, you will get the prize money or the tokens of it appreciation. So I got chosen in in 1,000 people, and I got the appreciation token from the Deloitte and certificate as well. Yeah. Apart from that, if I say like multiple, as I said, so there are like now in day-to-day life when I'm working with the Excel, PowerPoint, So there, whatever I have learned from this course, I'm using those techniques and those tricks, and it is getting faster. The jobs is getting faster. So yeah,
That is
and
perfect. That
also
is
using
perfect.
AI there. Yeah.
Right. So, getting highlighted amongst your colleagues is always nice. So that's fantastic. That is fantastic indeed. Right. So now, you've had a good experience, as you've said, and we hope you, keep on going on to more and more learning and continue that. But there's always room for some constructive feedback. So do you have anything? Do you have any sort of feedback for us and whatever you want to share with future learners, prospectus?
So constructive, I mean, the feedback is really well. You have the rightly syllabused and everything is managed well. Also, I would say like there should be some of the as we know that it's AI is just growing thing, and there are newly coming other
Yeah.
every day there could be some addition in the AI
Yeah.
industry. So if we could keep a track and also give that knowledge, have the some of the special lectures on that, I think we one of the session we had also, so that we needs to, like, if we could continue on that and have the good sessions on upcoming AI and what we could more do on that, that would be helpful.
Right. So of course, keeping on track with all the latest new AI updates and stuff. Right. Right. Right.
Yes.
That's perfect. That's perfect. We will surely take that into consideration. So thank you
Sure.
so much, Rameez. This was a lovely, lovely, lovely chat, and hope you have some better, even better, achievements to share with us in the future. Until the time, we hope you keep growing to the fullest extent. And thank you so much. Take care of
Yeah.
yourselves. Hopefully, we'll
Thank you,
speak to you soon.
Antariksh. Yeah. Thanks to
Thank you. Thank you
Be10x
so
and
much.
thanks to you. Bye. Have a good day.